Are you ready to supercharge your immune system? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the top 10 foods that will give your immune system the boost it deserves. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which helps stimulate the production of white blood cells and antibodies, strengthening the immune system. Number 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support immune function and protect against cell damage. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries due to its immune-boosting properties. It contains sulfur compounds that stimulate immune cells and may help reduce the severity of colds and flu. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can support immune health. It can be consumed fresh, as a tea, or as a spice in various dishes. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help modulate the immune system and support overall health. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green vegetable that is packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and other essential nutrients that support immune function. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome and strengthen the immune system. Look for yogurt with live and active cultures. Number 8. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. They also provide healthy fats and other nutrients that promote overall well-being. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that have been shown to enhance immune function. It also contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which may have anti-inflammatory effects. Number 10. Mushrooms. Certain varieties of mushrooms, such as shiitake, maitake, and reishi, have immune-boosting properties. They contain beta-glucans, which can stimulate the immune system and enhance its response. And there you have it. The top 10 immune-boosting foods that will help you stay healthy and strong. Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet and give your immune system the support it deserves. Remember, a healthy immune system is your body's first line of defense against illnesses. So, make sure to load up on citrus fruits, berries, garlic, ginger, turmeric, spinach, yogurt, almonds, green tea, and mushrooms. Your immune system will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you next time.